What's up, guys? Back. This time I'm gonna open up a Grail piece. Grail piece. Box still sealed. So I wanted to share this moment with you because this is a Grail piece. It's a Grail piece, very rare, very expensive car, and I'm gonna share it with you. We're gonna open it right now. Check it out. Grail piece, guys. Here we go. You'll see why. It's a Grail piece. You're gonna see it. You're gonna know why. Grail piece. Here we go. That's some paper. More paper in there. Wow. It's such a Grail piece. Look at that. That it comes in a box. In some sort of plastic container. It's wrapped in this. Wow. Look at that. So there goes the paper. And it's wrapped in here. It's a Grail piece, man. Let me let you see the back. Check it out. Here we go. Grail piece, man. We open the container, plastic container. More bubble. And it is none other than boom. 83 Chevy Silverado, as you can see right there. Real riders. Look at that. I'm not even gonna take it out of the protector. This thing is Grail piece, very rare. Look at that. Look at that. For those of you who have not seen the back, right? There it goes right there. This piece right here is worth about $1,000. This is how much of a Grail it is. And then you check it out. It's the Greeny Silverado. Awesome. Guys, thank you much. I will be showcasing more cars. For now, Grail piece. Enjoy it. And I like that he put it in this plastic container to preserve it. Alright, guys, until next video.